What's up, Forex family? My name is Denver. I just want to let you know that I've joined the Forex for Beginners group on Facebook with our conductor Saad Ali. I just want to give you a little bit of context. I started out looking for a group where I can share my experiences and where I can learn from others in the industry, and I stumbled across Forex for Beginners. I must say that it's the best thing that I came across. I've learned so much in a short space of time. In this private group, it's safe and secure. You get feedback from your presenter, which is Saad Ali. You learn so much. You learn Fibonacci, you learn support and resistance, you learn about moving averages, and so much more. I think the key takeout for me from this group and this course and the academy is that it has a structured approach. There is levels to it, and you can monitor your progress, and if you have any shortcomings, there's always some help available, and it's just a positive environment to be in. So don't delay, join the group. It's the best thing that you will ever do in your life, and you will learn critical skills in order to provide for you and your family one day. Peace.